This is a demonstration of how to perform a Quanta Project Management Competency Assessment. I am currently logged in as myself in QPC Live, and there's a couple of different ways that I can get to the assessment. You can see on the right there's your tasks, so I have 3 assessments that I'm responsible for launching. I can also get to these assessments from the assessment area under the Competency Assessment Summary. And there are 2 versions. We're going to use the one that says version 1. Or I can go to my team. Under my team are my current employees, and you can see I have an action item for them to launch the assessment. Again, there's that version 1, and then the job execution and the job setup assessment for each employee. If I launch it from here, I do skip an instructional page and sort of launch straight into the competency. And at the top, you'll see the rating scale, 0 through 6. Read that, become comfortable with it. There is some other training on Quanta Project Management to show what the different green, yellow, and red levels mean. If you don't know that, review that video first. It's pretty straightforward. You read the assessment and then you rate the employee simply by clicking on the certain level. They are competent at green. They need to go to yellow. They need to get their green badge. They're competent at yellow, but they need to get their red, or they're competent at red, or this competency is not applicable to them. So you simply go through here and click the buttons. This is just a sample demonstration, so I'm not really rating this particular employee. When you're done, you click the Continue button, and you have an area here to add comments if you want to, and then you submit the assessment. You will go immediately to a results page, show you a little bar chart of what you just did, and then click Done when you're done. Now I'm back on the My Team view, and that particular assessment has dropped off. You remember it was version 1. It's now dropped off because it's complete. So if you're the manager, your action items are very specific to telling you have things to do. Now I can go look at Reginald under the performance competencies and see the results of my assessment, and I can even open it and review it if I wanted to. So let's go ahead and do another assessment. We get a little more comfortable with it, and we'll go ahead and launch. Let's do the job setup. There's only 3 competencies in job setup. The rating scale is the same. So just to get some data in here, we'll just go ahead and do a couple clicks and click the Continue button when we're done. It's the same kind of deal. You'll go to the bar chart when you're complete. Let me change that one a little bit. Again, you can add comments for each assessment. There's the results, and click Done. That's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward. And you can see the assessment for job setup has dropped off as well. So all that's left for him is the job execution.